You don't need a $2,000 course. You don't need a trust fund. You don't even need a raise. Most people stay broke not because they don't earn enough. They stay broke because they're breaking 7 rules that cost nothing to follow and everything to ignore. I'm not going to tell you to budget better or want it more. I'm going to give you 7 specific rules. Break even one of them consistently, and you will never feel stable, no matter how much you make. Here's the part nobody tells you. You can earn $150,000 a year and still be one car repair away from panic. Income doesn't create stability. Systems do. So forget complicated spreadsheets and 40-category budgets. These are 7 minimalist rules. Dumb, simple, brutally effective. Let's go. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. Before rent, before groceries, before that app you forgot you're subscribed to. A set percentage of every paycheck moves straight into savings or investing. Automatically. Same day it lands. Why this works? If the money never touches your checking account, you can't talk yourself into spending it. Willpower is unreliable. A standing order isn't. Most people do the opposite. They pay everyone else first and save whatever's left. There's never anything left. That's not an accident. That's how spending expands to fill available space. Rule: automate the transfer before you're capable of seeing the balance.
Rule 2. Kill the debt that's actively bleeding you. Not all debt is equal, and pretending otherwise is how people invest with one hand while a credit card eats them alive with the other. The line is simple. Anything above roughly 7% interest and credit card debt sitting at 20% plus gets paid off before you invest a single extra dollar. The market might return 8 to 10% in a good year. Paying off a 24% card is a guaranteed return of 24%. No investment beats a guarantee. This isn't cautious advice, it's math. Every dollar you put into the market while carrying high interest debt is a dollar quietly losing the race. Rule 3. Build the 3 to 6 month wall before you touch investing. Before any of your money goes into stocks, ETFs, whatever, stack 3 to 6 months of essential expenses in a boring, liquid, high-yield savings account. Here's why this isn't optional. Markets drop 30-40% on average once every 8 to 12 years. If your car dies or you lose your job during that exact window and you have no cushion, you're forced to sell your investments at the worst possible moment, locking in the loss instead of riding it out. The emergency fund isn't the cautious move. It's the thing that makes the investing survive contact with real life.
Rule 4. Everything costs more than the sticker price. You see a $5,000 boat, a $500 a month car, a cheap apartment across town. The price tag is a lie by omission. That boat comes with registration, insurance, storage, winterizing, docking, repairs. The real cost is the sticker price times 2, easily. That car payment isn't $500. It's $500 plus insurance, plus gas, plus the fact that a financed car loses value faster than you're paying it off. Before any purchase over a set amount, minimalist rule, ask what this costs monthly for the next 3 years, not what it costs today. If you can't answer that, you can't afford it. You're just financing your ignorance. Rule 5. Every purchase has an opportunity cost. Money spent today isn't just gone. It's money that stops compounding forever. Take that same $500 a month car payment. Instead, buy a reliable $5,000 used car outright and invest the difference. Over 3 years, that invested $500 a month can grow to roughly $18,000 plus with compounding. That's not a hypothetical. That's what happens when money is left alone to work instead of being handed to a dealership. This rule isn't never spend money. It's know what you're giving up every single time you do.
Rule 6. One system, not 10. Minimalism isn't just about spending less, it's about running fewer moving parts. One checking account, one savings account, one investment account. Not 5 apps, 3 credit cards, and a system so complicated you stop checking it. Complexity is where money quietly leaks. A forgotten subscription, a fee you didn't notice, a card you're not tracking. The simpler the system, the harder it is for money to disappear without you noticing. Rule 7. Automate the boring stuff so willpower isn't required. Bills, minimum payments, transfers, all automatic. Not because automation is trendy, because it removes human error from the one part of your life where a single missed payment costs you in late fees, dinged credit, and stress you didn't need. Discipline that depends on you remembering something every month isn't a system, it's a countdown to failure. Automate it once and you never have to rely on willpower again. And lastly,
None of these 7 rules require you to earn more. They just require you to stop leaking money through habits you've never actually looked at. Pick the one you're breaking right now. Comment it below. And if you want the next 7 rules most people never hear about, subscribe, because Grow Your Bread isn't done.